Good morning, angry teachers. It is back to school week. Well, kind of, sort of. It's the week before where teachers go and prep the rooms and do all this good stuff for our students. And I am on my way. It is 7 something. And I don't even know when I'm going to get there or when I'm supposed to get there. Hopefully they're in place that I can get my keys and get into the room and get into the other room because I'm moving rooms. I think I'm moving back to where I was the year before last. So now I have to get the keys for both rooms so I can get my things and start moving stuff. One of my kids, thank God I had one of them last year, he promised to come help me out, and an ex-co-worker. So we'll see how that goes. I have a lot to get done. I have to find a printer that's hooked up already, print up stuff, so I can get my copies requested. Anyway, so that's where we are. I'm on my way to work for the 2026-27 school year. Let's get it. Now this is the before, the second before. I think I showed you one before when stuff was everywhere. The desks are a little bit in order. Yeah, the furniture in the back, they're not mine. They're going to the teacher who left them. And then mine are coming in, and I have a lot more because I have to put all of that stuff in those pieces of furniture. So it's going to be a day, and if not on Monday, I'll have to finish it. But this is where we are. Not too bad, not too much. Everything else I'm going to shove somewhere until I can have time to work through it. All right. Now, on my way down and on my way up and back, 3 girls, young ladies came and asked me who I was, and well, they said that they had my class and they just wanted to meet me and blah blah blah. I'm like, that's cool. Do I remember their names? Heck no. Would I remember their names? Heck no. But they're mine now, so we will get through the year. We'll be okay. But I just won't remember names, and especially you're telling me the time we're in. I'm literally trying to make it upstairs. I'm passing out because it's so hot. Thank you, ladies, but yeah, whatever. But yeah, they seem like nice, sweet ladies and young ladies, and we're gonna tunnel through it and get back into my senior mojo that I've lost for a year. Hopefully, it'll all start coming back. I've been told about this junior class that they seem to be okay. They love to learn, which is refreshing for me because after the year I've had. The previous years, some kids just don't want to, they're just doing it because they have to be here. To have kids who want to learn is refreshing to me. So we're going to try to get to that point where we're good. We're working together. All right. I have my list that I just started. I'm working on it, going through it. I need to add a lot more stuff. But like I said, I think Monday we have the time I'm going to be working in my room. I was going to go to the teacher store yesterday, I told you, but that didn't happen. I got into the car. It started to rain on the way home. I'm like, I'm not driving halfway across town for that. And I need to go home and sleep. And sleep I did. So I just ordered from Amazon. Am I happy about my choices? Because Amazon is a lot more limited than the teacher store, but I did what I had to do. It's just going to be a year where it's going to be different. So I ordered that stuff. It's coming tomorrow. So Monday when I come in, I'll just attack that and have it put up. Yeah, that's where we are. I wasn't able to eat breakfast, so I just had my breakfast sandwich. I brought it with me. Didn't have my coffee. I left the coffee in the car, so now I have water and my sandwich. So I guess that's better. But I'm actually eating a honey bun right now because I'm really hungry, and I really shouldn't be. But hopefully I'll work it out some other day in the gym. All right, catch y'all later. I forgot to mention, so this is my first year doing a Amazon wish list, right? Never did it before, don't know how it works, or didn't know how it works, but I just tried something. Instead of me Googling or YouTubing or asking somebody, I just chose to make up stuff on my own. And it worked. My tribe got me some stuff. I am so excited and so happy about this. I really appreciate it because this year things are tight and I still have some more stuff to get, but they were able to get this to me, and my Donors Choose that was finished in about 2 weeks. I'm like, okay, thanks. I really do appreciate this, guys. All of you who purchased and sent me stuff, thank you very much. All of you who donated to Donors Choose, those of you who will come in, give me time and love and just pour on me and pour into me, and my kids and my class, thank you. I appreciate every one of you, everything, no matter how great, no matter how small. Thank you. And this is the final product. This is what my room looks like today. Still working on putting up some quotes, but this is it. I'm back. So it's the first day with students of my 27th year in education, and just went to the gym. It was a leg day, and if you follow my page, my channel, and if you I hate my leg days. I hate my leg days. I hate leg days. I hate leg days. Why I chose to do it on a day that I'm going to start the year, I don't know. But it is what it is. With that said, I'm excited. Nervous as usual, but excited. Also, the obligatory nightmares that teachers have every year they go back or whatever. I didn't have it this year. I was just more tired than I was anything else, so I actually overslept. Kind of made it to the gym a little bit later than normal, so I don't know if it's just, maybe it happens in the 27th year where you don't feel, nervous anymore or whatever, but I didn't really have the nightmare. I just want to get this over with and come home and sleep, so that's where we are. With that said, let's get this day started.